Right now? Yes, right now is the moment to set yourself up for generation wealth. Did you miss the Bitcoin and Ethereum gravy trains? Feeling like you're always one step behind the crypto curve? Well, my friends, grab your spacesuits because we've just spotted a potential golden opportunity that could be bigger than Dogecoin's unexpected pump. What's up, my diamond hands and future Pi millionaires? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, the only channel that serves you up the freshest, most explosive crypto intel faster than a Solana transaction. I'm your captain, Goldrush, and today we're locked and loaded with not one, but two seismic updates that could send shockwaves through the Pi network universe. In this video, we're diving headfirst into why now might just be the absolute best time to load up on Pi coin before the whole darn ecosystem goes supernova. We're talking a rare window of opportunity that could make early Bitcoin adopters look like they were playing with pocket change. Plus, we'll be tackling the recent Pi price dip and revealing why it's likely just a temporary pit stop on the road to a massive moonshot. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end because we're dropping some serious alpha that could change your crypto game forever. All right, let's cut the fluff and get straight to the juicy bits. The crypto cosmos is a wild and wonderful place, full of unexpected twists and turns. But one thing remains constant. Those who spot potential early and act decisively are often the ones who reap the biggest rewards. Remember the early days of Bitcoin? You could mine it on your laptop. Ethereum? It was trading for pennies. Those opportunities are long gone. But guess what? The Pi network might just be offering us a second bite at the crypto apple. We've got some compelling arguments landing in our inbox, making a strong case for why right now, this very moment, could be the prime time to accumulate as much Pi coin as humanly possible. Think of it like this. You're at the dawn of a new digital frontier, and the land is practically free for the taking. The sentiment echoing across the Pi community is clear. Don't let this chance slip through your fingers like sand through an hourglass. The early birds get the worm, and in the crypto world, the early pioneers often become the whales of tomorrow. The window to accumulate assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum at minimal cost is firmly shut. But Pi Network, still in its pre-Open Mainnet phase, is offering a unique second chance. You can still mine Pi directly from your phone without needing a supercomputer or burning through enough electricity to power a small city. This, my friends, is a golden ticket, a rare opportunity to secure your piece of a potentially transformative digital currency before the masses FOMO in and send the price into orbit. Look, I'm not gonna lie, the ease of mining Pi has always been intriguing. It democratizes crypto in a way we haven't seen since the early days of Bitcoin. And the idea of getting in on the ground floor of something with this kind of user base? That's the kind of asymmetric bet that gets my crypto senses tingling. Now, why the urgency? Why is now the time to act? Well, the Pi network isn't just some fly-by-night meme coin. It's building a robust ecosystem, a whole interconnected web of decentralized applications, or dApps. These aren't just vaporware. They're being actively developed and tested right now on the Pi platform. Soon, these dApps will form the very backbone of the Pi economy, enabling everything from trading goods and services to executing smart contracts and creating entirely new financial models, all powered by Pi coin. Think back to the early internet. It was clunky, it was basic, but the potential was undeniable. The Pi network today feels a bit like that. It's evolving, it's growing, and the possibilities are mind-blowing. This isn't just about a coin. It's about a whole new way of interacting in the digital world. And getting in early on this kind of ecosystem expansion? That's like buying Amazon stock when all they sold were books online. Let's talk about the elephant in the digital wallet: price. Cryptocurrencies, as we know, can experience absolutely mind-bending surges in value once they transition from development to widespread adoption. Bitcoin went from being worth less than your morning coffee to a multi-trillion-dollar asset. Ethereum followed a similar trajectory, turning early believers into crypto millionaires. And the buzz around Pi Network suggests it could be next in line for this kind of explosive growth. With over 60 million engaged users already on board and a community that's more passionate than a Shiba Inu chasing a laser pointer, Pi Network has the raw ingredients for a massive breakout. As more businesses and platforms start accepting Pi payments, the demand is going to skyrocket. And when that happens, The days of casually mining Pi on your phone might become a distant memory. The clock is ticking, folks. Pi Network is in the final stages of its journey towards the Open Mainnet launch. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, when Pi becomes a fully functional cryptocurrency, ready for trading, transactions, and integration with the wider blockchain universe. But here's the kicker. Once Open Mainnet arrives, the way we currently earn Pi through mobile mining could change drastically or even disappear entirely. Remember the early days of Bitcoin mining? You could rack up thousands of coins with a simple laptop. Now, you need specialized equipment and a hefty electricity bill to mine even a fraction of a Bitcoin. Pi Network could very well follow a similar path. So, the simple act of tapping that button on your phone every day? That might be a limited time offer, a golden window of opportunity that you absolutely do not want to miss. Now, let's address the FUD in the room. Some of you might have noticed a bit of a dip in the Pi coin price recently. And let's be honest, seeing red in your portfolio can be a little nerve-wracking. But hold your horses, crypto cowboys and cowgirls. This isn't the time to panic. It's potentially the time to strategize. Market fluctuations are as common in the crypto world as rug pulls on shady DeFi projects. Even the mightiest cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their fair share of dips before roaring back to new all-time highs. This recent dip in Pi coin, it's likely just a temporary market adjustment, a brief pit stop before the next leg of the journey upwards. Why am I so bullish, you ask? Well, let's break down the potential catalysts that could send Pi coin soaring. First up, growing adoption. More and more merchants are starting to recognize the potential of Pi and accept it as payment. This real-world utility is huge and will only drive demand higher. Second, the Open Mainnet launch itself is a massive game-changer. Once Pi is fully tradable on major exchanges, expect a surge of investor interest and increased liquidity. Third, the Pi community is an absolute powerhouse. Millions of dedicated pioneers worldwide believe in this project, and that collective enthusiasm is a force to be reckoned with. And finally, the limited circulating supply due to the KYC verification process means that a significant chunk of Pi is currently locked up, potentially creating a supply squeeze that could send prices skyward. The combination of a massive user base, a growing ecosystem, and the imminent Open Mainnet launch? That's a recipe for some serious price action, in my humble opinion. This isn't just hopium. It's based on the fundamental principles of supply and demand. All right, my crypto comrades, are you feeling the excitement? Are you ready to seize this potential golden opportunity? If you're getting value from this deep dive into the Pi network and you're ready to ride this rocket with us, then smash that like button right now. Let's show the YouTube algorithm that the Pi community is strong. And if you haven't already joined the Gold Rush family, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future crypto gems. So, what can you do to make the most of this potential opportunity? It's simple, really. First and foremost, mine Pi daily. It takes literally seconds. And while it might seem like small amounts now, those fractions of a Pi could be worth a whole lot more down the line. Second, build your network. Pi Network rewards you for inviting others to join. The more active members in your security circle, the higher your mining rate. It's a win-win. And third, engage with the Pi ecosystem. Explore the Pi browser, check out the developing dApps, and support projects that are already accepting Pi. The more we use Pi, the more valuable it becomes. Imagine looking back a few years from now and seeing Pi trading at hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Wouldn't you kick yourself if you hadn't taken a few seconds each day to mine or believed in the project? This is your chance to be part of something potentially huge. So, there you have it, my crypto crew. The message is clear. The time to accumulate Pi coin might just be right now. The ecosystem is expanding, the Open Mainnet is on the horizon, and the recent price dip could be a fantastic buying opportunity. Remember, fortunes in the crypto world are often made by those who are bold and act early. What are your thoughts on all this? Are you loading up on Pi? Do you think the Open Mainnet will send the price soaring? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another potential crypto gold mine. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Your support is what keeps this channel going. Now, go ahead and check out some of our other videos for more sizzling crypto insights. You can find them right here. And as always, a little disclaimer for you. I'm just a dude on YouTube sharing my crypto enthusiasm. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. To the moon.